All right, let's look at the monthly chart for SPY. We've had 4 consecutive months heading straight up, but when you take a look left, you can see we've really held inside that previous monthly range with a double bottom here and just barely got that push outside and then started pulling right back. So what I want to see ultimately is a break outside of these 2 monthly candles in either direction. So if we come on down to that double bottom area, somewhere right in that 617 area, it's not quite a double bottom, but close. So 617 to 616, somewhere in there, I'd like to see us get a breakout of that range to head on down. If we do see 616, 17, then the next area we have really strong support is about 603. So definitely want to be mindful there. Again, with September being typically bearish, we could see that breakout on the monthly chart. I'm going to see what happens about that 640. What happens here? Can we get the break of the trend line to head on down? Looking at our weekly, you can see we've had 3 weeks just sideways, just have not been able to break, hold, and hold higher. We've just kind of wicked up and then pulled right back down into the previous weekly range right through here. So if we get a pullback, I'm trying to see, can we hold 643? If we cannot hold 643, then we can definitely head on down. We do have that strong support about 637 to be mindful of as well. Now, when we get into the daily, this is where I want to see us hold moving into tomorrow. I'd like to see us hold this 640 area. If we do get that continuation and pull back to 640, that could set us up for a bounce where we head right back up through here. It could also set us up for a breakout and a move lower. So just keep that in mind, always looking both directions. This is starting to kind of come in and form a type of a squeeze, and a lot of times this can be a reversal pattern. So just waiting to see what happens. We still have plenty of room, a 10-point range where we can just bounce up and down between here as well before we break out in either direction. So just be mindful heading into tomorrow. I'm going to be watching to see if we can hold that 640, and then heading into the week, I'll let you know what those levels are each day as well. Let's see if we can get that hold. And if we cannot get that hold, I will come in and add in some more levels so you guys know what to anticipate or expect on the way down. But for right now, 640 is the level to watch.